Okay, so first thing we need to do is to upload a image from the local folder. Once that's uploaded, what we're then going to do is to add the filter onto it. So this is a color tint, which is then going to cover 100% of the image size. So then what we do is choose the color that we want to apply. We'll put green on this time and try that. So that's now put a green tint overall, 100% green filter over the whole of the image. What we'll now do is to use the slider which adjusts the transparency of the image. So at 100% filter on, the image is completely green. When we move it down to much closer to 0, we end up with basically a very, very similar image to what we started with. So that was an 8%, that's a 92% transparency. So you can see that basically the image there is exactly what we started with. The image was a JPEG to start with. When you put the filter on it, it becomes a GIF image. Then when you save it, it goes back to being a JPEG, pretty much exactly the same size as you started.